Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing something very simple, how to oil your hair in a correct way. Though oiling might sound like a simple process, it's the one of the most important step in your daily hair care routine. So never ever skip it. And as we proceed with the video, I will tell you all how I oil my hair and on how many days basis I'll oil my hair. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I've taken a bowl, empty bowl, and I'm going to use homemade coconut oil for today's oiling process. I usually use Ashwini hair oil, but today I felt I'm going to wash my hair off immediately and I wanted something very mild, so I'm taking homemade coconut oil. You can either, warm it up or use it directly. Always the first step before oiling your hair is detangling your hair before oiling. That is very essential for your application to be more easy, especially if you have a very thick or curly hair. Please detangle your hair and section your hairs for efficient application of oil. Usually I don't use cotton to apply the oil. I'll use my fingers itself. I feel that is much better because I feel the residues of the cotton might stick onto my scalp, so I use my fingers. So what I do is I section on the front of my head. I just section it one by one, and I just make sure to apply the oil to every corner of my scalp. And I will just apply it like this to make sure it has gone through every corner of my scalp. So once that is done, I'm going to concentrate on the back of the head by partitioning my hair into half. Usually when your oil is a little warm, it is really, it gives a nice massaging effect on your hair. So I suggest warm up your oil and use. And if you're going to warm up your oil, keep it only for 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Don't keep it for more than that. For me, it doesn't suit well when I warm up my oil and keep it overnight. I end up getting fever. So please don't use the oil which is warmed up overnight. If you want to leave it overnight, just use normal oil. And never please don't leave the hair oil too long on your hair, and especially when you're going to go out, don't apply the hair oil and go out, because dust particles easily get stuck onto the hair when the hair is oily, and when we don't wash it, that's how we end up getting dandruff, itchiness, all sorts of germs on our hair. And I will always make sure I apply extra oil to my ends. That is one of the biggest secrets for me not getting much of split ends. Oiling and nourishing your hair is the only way you're going to prevent dryness and split ends. Otherwise, you're going to end up getting split ends and you're going to keep cutting your hair. So once I finish applying the oil, I massage my hair for 2 minutes. I love applying oil to my hair, and the effect it gives me after I massage it on my scalp. It makes me feel so fresh. And the thought of me, just going to wash off my hair after this is going to make me feel so fresh. And always use your fingertips, never your nails. Please massage the oil into your scalp. That's when it's going to be very effective. Once that is done, I'm going to make a bun, and one more thing is, I'll straight away make a bun. I will never comb out my hair after oiling, because that's when you will end up getting lot of hair fall. If you notice, if you comb your hair after oiling, your hair will start falling more, because you massage your scalp and the oil penetrates into your scalp. That time the pores are open and the hair is a bit loose. It is more easy when you pull it out for it to come out. So never comb your hair after oiling. I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes and then we'll see. So guys, I washed up my hair after applying oil. I just want to finish off this video with 5 things that I do on regular basis to maintain my hair and take care of my hair. The first thing is I apply oil regular basis. On regular basis, I apply oil at least twice a week. Either I leave it overnight or I leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. The second thing is I will never use too much oil or too much of any product on my hair. Whatever is necessary, minimum is always good. Don't use anything on like too much basis. It's not healthy also, and you can also end up wasting a lot of product. The next thing is shampoo. I will always when I'm using shampoo, I will always dissolve the shampoo in water before I put it on my hair, because you should know that the shampoo that you take, the direct product might not get easily washed off from your hair, and we might be in a hurry to just go, and we might not wash our hair properly, and the product will stay on your hair, and that will also cause lot of problems to your hair. So please always dissolve the shampoo in the water, and it is also financially helpful. You can use the product for a longer time. The next thing is I drink a lot of water to take care of my skin and my hair. There will be breakouts, there will be hair falls from time to time because of various other reasons, but it is our duty to take care of it by intaking whatever is necessary. Example, drinking lot of water, eating lot of healthy food. The last and the final thing is avoid avoid using harsh chemicals. You can color your hair on 6 months basis like that, but don't experiment too much with your hair. Just because you have long hair or thick hair, you cannot think, okay, let me experiment with new products that's coming in the market. I would suggest don't take such big risks. Always review the product that you're going to use, and make sure that it's not harmful to you, and don't you have to keep changing the products that you use for your hair, but don't do it very frequently. Give time for your hair to settle down for one product. Then once it's getting used to it, change it slowly. Don't treat your hair with so much of new changes on very frequent basis. That might also cause hair falls, hair damages. So always remember, taking care of your hair is very important. Once your hair goes off or is damaged, to bring it back to life is very difficult. Why should we go through that? Instead, let's take care of it when we have it. So until I meet you all with another video, please oil your hair regularly. Take care, stay safe, and bye.